How to use have and has in conversations. First, have. Have usually is used with pronouns I, you, they, and we. Example, I have. I have 2 books. You have. You have a lovely smile. They have. They have arrived. And then we have. Yes, we have arrived. Let's find out how to use has. Has is used with pronouns she, he, and it. Some examples, she has gone to school. He has the ball. But it has 4 sides. Have is usually used with plural nouns when asking questions, and has is used with singular nouns in a question, like when asking questions. Example, which one is the correct one? Has the book been returned, or have the book been returned? So has is used with a singular noun and have with plural noun. So book is the noun here, so the correct one is the first one. Has the book been returned, not have the book been returned. What about this example? Has the books been returned, or have the books been returned? Which is the right one? The second one. Have the books been returned? Remember, have is used with plural nouns when asking questions. The verb is have and the noun is books. Here, the first one is right. She has returned the books. She always goes with has. We cannot say she have returned the books. Even if the noun is plural, we still have to say she has returned the books. We can also say she has returned the book, singular. I has returned the book is wrong. We always have always is used with I. I have returned the book. Book can be singular or plural. Thank you so much.